Hi guys, it's Jen with the Swizzle Sisters Podcast, here to show you how to make orange liqueur. This recipe is from the book How to Cocktail from America's Test Kitchen. This is what we reviewed on our last episode, so check it out. You're going to need a really good cognac or brandy. I recommend cognac. I'm using Cavassier, simple syrup, and an orange. First, you're going to peel 5 small pieces of orange peel with a good peeler and let them dry out for a few days so they look like little pieces of leather. Next, you're going to strip off 5 long pieces of fresh orange peel, about 3 inches long. Then you're going to put them in a sealed jar and pour 12 ounces of your cognac or brandy on top and seal it really, really tight. You're going to store this cognac or brandy mix with the dried and fresh orange peel in a cool, dark place for 5 to 7 days. Make sure you shake it a couple of times. After 5 to 7 days, make sure you strain your brandy and orange peel concoction into a nice bottle that you're going to use. Look at that beautiful dark amber color, and it smells so good. Next, you're going to add your simple syrup. Simple syrup is a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 sugar to 1 water. You're going to use about 4 ounces to your 12 ounces of brandy or cognac. You can make it a little drier by adding a little less. Give it a good shake, and you have an amazing orange liqueur. Great for sipping or adding to your favorite cocktail. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe.